How to send SD photos and videos in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up your chat. Now tap on the attach icon or simply tap on the camera button. Now give the permissions. Now simply select the photos or videos or tap on the gallery icon to access more. Now select a photo or video. Now tap on next. Now select SD. Now tap on SD quality and tap on send. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.